one thing I really want to speak to you about is because you have always spoken about body positivity, right? And आज हम ये conversations कर रहे हैं, which is amazing. But was there ever a time where you felt like because of this आपको opportunities नहीं मिली?
Yes, absolutely. I was in college actually. I was in fashion school. And I really wanted to be center stage. I wanted to be one of the models for our annual fashion show, but they would never choose me because of how big I was. And that used to hurt me a lot. Also, I was a lot more younger. I was, you're in your college years. You're comparing yourself to other people and all. And I think after that, I kind of came into my own and accepted myself and worked on myself because I wanted to work on myself. And I feel like it all comes when you're ready for it. तो तभी लगता था, अभी नहीं लगता.
Yeah. As you said, you would go back to that girl and say it's going to be okay.
Exactly. Yeah. ठीक है. You want a model in your annual fashion show? Hello. Look where you are now.
Okay, we will end with this, which is about your films. मैं आपको आपके films के names देने वाली हूँ.
Okay.
And you have to keep picking. Okay, so this is smash or pass.
Oh, okay.
Dabang or Rowdy Rathod?
Oh God. Dabang.
Dabang or Son of Sardar?
Dabang.
Dabang or Lutera?
Lutera.
I knew it. Lutera or R. Rajkumar?
Lutera.
Lutera or Action Jackson?
Lutera.
Lutera.
What? Why is that in the list? Remove it. It should not even be there.
I love how you take all this with like you're able to look at this with a sense of humor. Like somebody who can just...
Joke तो मेरे साथ हुआ था, guys.
Okay, Lutera or Ittifaq?
Lutera.
Lutera or Happy?
अभी आप जो भी बोल दो, अभी कुछ.
Let's see. Lutera or Happy फिर भाग गई.
Lutera.
Lutera और Kalank?
Lutera.
Lutera और Mission Mangal?
Lutera.
Lutera और Hira Mandi? Got you.
You know what? Lutera.
Yeah. And I know what your answer will be, but Lutera or Dahad?
Dahad.
I just loved you in Dahad.
Thank you.
And I am sure कि वो आपके लिए भी बहुत important
it was
part था वो.
It was.
है ना?
Dahad is also बहुत ही special in many different ways क्योंकि ये मेरे पास एक time पे आ गया था where I was just on the verge of giving up. Yeah, like I told you, my advice to any actor is that don't give up.
Yeah.
And I was just on the verge of giving up because I felt like I wasn't getting the kind of work that I want to do. मुझे अच्छे रोल नहीं मिल रहे थे, सब repetitive roles मिल रहे थे और मैं थक गई थी. मतलब मैं बहुत बोर हो चुकी थी. I'd like literally stop signing films. I was like, I'll wait. I'll sit at home. 1 साल लगेगा, 2 साल लगेगा, 3 साल लगेगा. मैं घर पे बैठूंगी, but मैं वो काम नहीं करूंगी जो मैं नहीं करना चाहती. And that is when Dahad came into my life, and I was like, suddenly I felt like I woke up. और narration खत्म, उन्होंने narrate भी नहीं किया. Actually, Rima and Zoya came and gave me the gist of the show, and before the meeting got over, मैंने उनसे कहा कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ, आप script भेज दो घर पे, मैं पढ़ लूंगी, but I'm on board. Because that was that one thing that really shook me up, and I was like, I have to be this character, I have to play this role. So it's very, very special to me.
Yeah, and you were fab.
Thank
you were fab. Finally, we are here talking about your journey as a YouTube creator, as somebody who has her own YouTube channel and who's having fun with it.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि आप, like how you rightly said, if you're not having fun, what's the point?
There's no point.
I want to play a fun game with you here, which is if you could invite guests on your YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Who would you for the following?
Okay.
ठीक है? So first, to talk about love and dating.
Love and dating, I'll call Zahir only.
Okay, to do some ज्ञान की बातें.
ज्ञान की बातें. Huma.
Okay. For an episode on motivation.
I can motivate people.
Yeah, solo. Yeah, you don't need anybody.
Yeah.
Okay. Mindless yapping.
Mindless yapping. Saqib.
Okay. For a get ready with me.
I actually thought of this, like how Farah goes to people's house to cook. I call her to do makeup with me.
It'll be amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my God, we want that.
Isn't
Farah
it? It'll be quite cool.
Sonakshi,
Yeah.
yes, amazing. Okay, to have a deep conversation about life.
Maybe my dad.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah,
With his life experience.
yeah. To recreate iconic Bollywood hook steps with.
Ooh, Ranveer.
Oh,
Yeah.
amazing. Vibe. Okay, for a skincare and gossip sesh.
Skincare and gossip sesh. Who can I call? Who's got really great skin? Alia. Yeah.
Okay, to discuss fashion and trends.
This should be a stylist, I feel.
Okay.
Yeah, so either Sanam Ratansi, who's also my sister-in-law, or Mohit Rai, who styles me all the time. I think actually, yeah, both of them can come and it'll be a nice chat session with like the three of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a trend that you see has become like an overkill and you're like, yaar, mat karo, bas ho gaya.
That
It's done.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
It was everywhere. And can I tell you something? Like my team from So Easy also got in touch with me. They're like, "Oh my god, you should do that grrr." And I was like,
nails with
I will scratch your eyes out if you tell me to do that trend. No.
But it would have been nice. You would have done grr and you should have shown your nails.
Face, it was I can't. I'm sorry. Like, I can't.
I agree with you. And the last one, to sit and say nothing and yet have the best time. Somebody you can just share silence with.
Zahir.
Yeah.
So my start and end happened with him only. Bas tum hi ho.
But it's hard to believe that both of you can sit quietly.
We can actually, yeah. And that's the beauty of it.
Yeah. I was actually just having a conversation with a friend the other day and we were discussing about love language, okay? And I just, like, whenever I look at you and Zahir together, it's like, I feel like this is what I have thought a relationship should be like, right?
Yeah.
Because you're roasting each other, you're having fun. But I want to ask you, what is that one thing in your relationship? Like every relationship, every couple has that one thing, right?
Yeah.
That's just theirs. क्या है वो आप लोगों के लिए?
There's actually more than one thing, which is why it works so well, and that's why we are together. And honestly, like before I got into this relationship, this is the idea of the relationship in my mind that I always wanted. So I feel like somewhere I manifested it. There's a lot of love, of course. There's a lot of mutual respect. You're always kind of keeping the other person in the highest regard and kind of, not like letting them know that you're number one for me every single day without even trying. I think that just makes it really work.
I had met him in 2019, I think, around Notebook.
Yeah,
Around
that's
Notebook. And I remember how he started the show. He started like, मैं हूँ ज़हीर और ये है परी और परी परी परी, and then he kept on going.
Yeah. He's got a very infectious energy and he's a lot of fun. So
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.